Wish your Steam achievements list looked a little shinier? Let's fix that fast. Step 1. Head to the official S.A.M GitHub. Just Google Steam Achievement Manager GitHub or hit the link in the description. Click Releases, then grab the latest zip file. Seriously, only download from the real GitHub. Suspicious files? Hard pass. Step 2. Find your zip file, extract the goodies into a new folder, and log into your Steam client. Pro tip: close any running games, especially ones with anti-cheat. Don't poke the bear. Step 3. Double-click sam.picker.x. S.A.M will show all your games with achievements. Missing one? No problem. Just type its app ID from the Steam Store URL and click Add Game. Step 4. Double-click your game. Check achievements to unlock, uncheck to relock, or use the bulk buttons up top. When you're ready, hit Commit Changes. Boom! Achievements unlocked. Step 5. Close S.A.M, and you're done. Remember, single player only. Don't get greedy.